Good morning, good morning, good morning. You know what time it is. It's Wednesday. And what do we do every Wednesday? Budget meal under $5. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to share what I've done this week. But don't forget to go over and check out our awesome hostess, the hostess with the mostest. And oh my gosh, doesn't she do some beautiful work in filming on her channel? This little video clip I'm sharing with you is wildlife, deer and turkeys. Oh my, right from her property. Beautiful homestead. And oh, Grammy does a great job. Does she not? Shooting video. Now you go over and you check that little red button. Start following her and get to see all the other things she does from her property besides wildlife. And she knows how to do some great cooking in the kitchen. Go check her out and see all the wonderful things that she shares and does with you. You can see by this, she does lots and lots of different content on her channel. From Fun Card Friday, from New to Me with our awesome friend Kimmy, and then of course every Wednesday we do budget meals under $5. She does Tea Tuesday with our awesome friend Pat. A great channel. Check out that wonderful playlist too and see what other great things you've done. I'm sharing with you a little bit of what I picked up, what it cost when I did my grocery list. We're making crepes, and I've never made crepes before, so this is going to get a little messy, as you're going to see. But I think we finally managed to get it done, and believe it or not, I got one crepe done for $1.95 each. The crepes were 50 cents, the banana was 15 cents, the blackberries were 65 cents, and the blueberries were 60 cents. So we did pretty good. We got some nice whipped topping. That ended up being about 20 cents. So, you know, there's a lot of things you can do that doesn't cost a lot of money, even though it might sound like it. Look at how good those blueberries and blackberries look. And I had a lot of blueberries in that crepe. I didn't have too many blackberries because they were a little bit on the pricey side, because you didn't really get that much in the container, but there was tons and tons of blueberries for what I got for $3.99. I can easily do 6 crepes with that. And of course, the crepes themselves were a little pricey too, but they were only 50 cents per piece. And these were pretty easy to work with. You took one off and you put it in the microwave for 10 seconds and it came right off and easy to deal with. The Cool Whip topping was a Stater Brothers brand. It was $1.25 because of that, and I'm sure we didn't spend more than 20 cents or less for that. And of course the bananas, there were 5 for $1.63, but I only used 1. So, you know, I think we did pretty good, and that cost us about 30 cents for the banana. So you see, we got all our cellar fixings together. We're going to throw it together. I would think this crepe might have taken me, I don't know, 5-10 minutes at the most to prepare. I don't think you could even go to a restaurant and sit down that quick. It was so easy, so quick. I could have rolled out all 10 crepes probably within 20 minutes easy. Once you have your assembly line all straightened up, get all your fruit cut up. And the only thing I had to cut was the banana because the blueberries and blackberries were already done. I just rinsed them off. And I put the crepe in for 10 seconds. That's all you need, just to warm it up a little. And throw that fruit in the center. And you know I didn't do it right. I shouldn't have thrown it in the center. Should have had it off to one side. So it was a little bit on the messy side. And I probably even could have put less fruit in there. But it was super good, so I'm not complaining. So this is an easy meal to put together. As you can see, everything's mixed up, cut together. That isn't much fruit in that bowl. And I want you to know that when I got it in that crepe, it was full. So put a little whipped topping in there, and I should have put, like I said, should have put it to one side. This is a messy crepe, but this is the first crepe I've ever made. So you can see there's plenty of fruit. I was very generous with my fruit. So this is not an expensive thing to make. It sounds expensive because the crepes are a little pricey in the fruit. I wanted some strawberries, but I couldn't find them, so all I could have was blueberries and blackberries. And as you can see, I ate every single bite of that crepe, and it was really good. Now, if you wanted something sweeter, you could have thrown some sugar on them. But because I'm trying to cut down on sugar intake, the only sweetness I had was that Cool Whip topping and the sugar in the fruit itself. And for me, it was fine. But like I said, you could easily have thrown some sugar on if you want. Easy, quick meal, $1.95 per crepe. And I was very, very generous with the fruit, as you can see. So I wasn't trying to be skimpy. But the crepes are not overly big, so you don't need to use a lot of fruit. Let me know what you thought of the cooking video. Remember, every Wednesday we do budget meals under $5. Hope you come and join us next week and see what we're going to do next week. It is going to be a really yummy meal, and I was really surprised that I was able to find something under $5. To make next week's meal, I had to use leftovers, but I'm telling you, it was out of this world when I ate them. So, if you want to see something really yummy next week, come back and see what we're doing next week. We're going to see what we can do. I'm going to give you a little hint. The word salmon is in the title. Yes, salmon. And I still got it under $2.50 a serving. And oh my gosh, I can't wait to make it again because it was that good. But to make it in budget, we had to use leftovers. So don't forget, you can make a great meal with leftovers too. Thank you all for joining us. So glad that you enjoyed the video we did. And I'm so glad you stayed till the end of the video to get your hint what's coming up next week. Salmon, yum, yum. I always enjoy it. See you there, my dear friends. Please take care, and thank you for all your love and support. We always love having you here with us. And please take care, and see about joining in with us next week, and see what you can come up with for budget meal under $5. We always love having you here. Don't forget to check out the playlist and see what everyone did. Give us some love and some support. And thank you again. Bye-bye for now.